Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram latest AI features that are starting to take over everyone's feed. Whether you are a content creator, a casual Instagram user, or just curious about new technology, this feature is definitely something that you need to try. So let's get started. First just open the Instagram and then just log in into your account. And once you're on the home screen, just tap on the message icon, this one at the bottom of the screen. And then next, you can tap on any chat that you want. For example, like this. This works in both private chats or group chats. And inside the chat, just tap on the message box as if you are about to typing something like this. And then to access Instagram's AI, you need to mention Meta AI on your keyboard. Just tap on Add like this. And then you will see options like Meta AI like this, and then silence, imagine like this. First, let's try Meta AI like this, and then just tap on continue to confirm it. And now you can start asking Meta AI questions directly inside your chat. For example, you can type something simple like um, something simple like what's for example like this. And then next just send it like this. And then Meta AI automatically will responding to you in real time like this. And what's cool about this is what you can use Meta AI in group chats too, making it easier to get answer ideas or suggestions while chatting with friends, all while staying in control. And now let's move on to another powerful feature like image generation using AI. Just tap on the message box again and then type add, and then just choose imagine like this. Now just simply type a description of the image that you want. For example, you can type something uh, like this, and then it just send it like this. Instagram AI will generate an image for you automatically like this. As you can see, the image appears right inside the chat. And then if you want to save it, just tap on the image and then just tap on the three dots icon and then just tap on download. And the image will be saved directly to your gallery. And okay, that's basically how you can use Instagram latest AI feature, from chatting with Meta AI to generating images directly inside your DMs. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.